Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the challenge of Hello World in Golang. So let's see how we can make it. Let's go to the description first. We have to make a simple function called greet that returns the most famous Hello World. So what we have to do is we have to make a simple function. So in Golang, in order to create a function, you can use a func keyword, and we have to name the function as greet. So I'll name the function as greet, and we'll be having open close bracket, and this is the body of the function. So this is used for getting the input parameters from the function. So as of now we are not accepting any input parameter, so we have to only return the parameters. So we have to return the hello world. So hello world, it is given as a string. So first we have to use the return keyword. So return keyword is used to return anything from the function. So if you want to return it can return anything. It can be a data type, variables, or it can be a string, integer, anything can be written from the function. So in order to return the particular data type of the variable, we have to specify the data type. So as we know here, the hello world is a string, so I am specifying here as a string. So our function is ready, but here we have to specify that what actual value we are going to return. We can make the value as var and str as a variable and assign it to the value as hello world. So this can be also done. So here we are creating the variable str and we are assigning it value of string. But why unnecessary we have to assign the value and then return the str? We can also do that, but this is unnecessary steps. We do not need to explicitly create a variable in order to hold the value. What we can do is directly we can have this hello world, directly we can return the string. As we know that we are going to only return the hello world string, we are not going to change any value or anything. Just this function should not accept any value, but it should only return hello world. So let's now test our code. So here in code wars we are having the button for testing, so I'll just click that. So as you can see, my test case is passed. Here there are sample test cases which it uses in order to test our program, and so we can see like these test cases are passed. Our function is returning hello world. Now we can attempt the code. So as you can see here, attempt had two test cases and both are passed, and we are passing the test case of hello world and hello world 500 times. So both of these test cases is passed. So now you may take your time to refactor your code and comment your solution when the submission is ready. So I can remove these kind of comments which are unnecessary in my program, and I can refactor my code whatever is necessary, and I can just submit my code. So as of now the submit button is not available. So I have attempted the code once again, and now I can see the submit button. So I'll just click on the submit button, which will submit my code to the server. So this is submitting my final solution. So after submitting my solution, you can also see other users who have coded the program, and you can go with the best practices and you can view others code. So this is a really cool thing about code wars. So guys, thank you for watching.